Hello, good evening and welcome back to my channel. It's 𝗥𝗶𝗱𝗶𝗶 again. I'm back again with another vlog. Today I'm gonna get onto the hype train and visit the Royal Enfield showroom to do a test ride of the all-new Himalayan.
Congratulations, brother.
I spoke to the responsible person of Avan Motors, which is in 𝗥𝗶𝗱𝗶𝗶, which is just about like 10 minutes, not even 5 minutes away from my house. So he told me to come before 5:30 so that I can get a small test ride on the all-new Himalayan. I'm gonna go to the showroom on Jack Senior, of course, and let's hope I get a test ride. And post that I will talk about of course the stuff which has been made better in the all-new Himalayan, and which obviously was expected from Royal Enfield, of course. So yeah, let's not waste time and let's head out, because it's around 4:45 now and he's asked me to come at 5:30, before 5:30 actually. Faraj is finally here on his Ola S1 Pro. Check out the cool ass red color bike. Check out the crazy ass traffic. So we finally reached Himalayan Motors. I see a lot of people waiting. I hope they haven't come for the test ride. Anyways, let's go. Oh, Super Meteor 350, man. Cool. Not so cool. Finally getting to ride the 450, the 𝗥𝗶𝗱𝗶𝗶 engine. The self-start is like this, yeah. Oh, it opens. But doesn't quite feel like a Himalayan actually. I'm gonna go on a long ride. I think they have done some stuff with this Himalayan. Doesn't quite feel brand new. Suspension is one for a toss. Let me try the mud road. It's good. People who are used to a little higher handlebar, I think they'll have to get a new handlebar or risers. These don't quite feel like a Himalayan. I know comparing it with the 411 is wrong, but the question remains, is it worth the upgrade? The gears are good. They're pretty smooth. But one thing's for sure, the bike is super nimble. It's more nimble than the 411. I think this might be the easiest Royal Enfield to ride. Okay, let us test the tarmac capability. Good amount of torque. Not bad. The torque is good enough, but but as people have already said, about 2500 RPM you actually feel the difference.
What's happening?
Huh?
It's here.
Done with test riding the all new Himalayan. Nothing great actually. I don't know. Of course, a lot of people will buy. No offense to that. No hard feelings to that. But nothing to look forward to, according to me. Thank you for 11. Thank you Royal Enfield for making such kind of a bike, which looks classy and feels classy at the same time. So the final verdict from an owner of 𝗶𝗴𝗶𝗶, go for it, as at this price range there is no dual sport with such capabilities, and of course with RE's brand value, the bike is surely not gonna disappoint.